Beautifully crafted from front to back, there are more than several reasons why our Croome display home is one of our most popular. Coming in at 269 square metres, the Croome maximises the livable space on its 450 square metre block. 2.7 metre ceilings in this home are designed to soak in ample amounts of natural light to the hallway, living and entertaining areas. The theatre room provides a great escape for those looking for some peace and quiet, while the open plan kitchen, living and dining area flows beautifully onto the expansive spotted gum deck and outdoor kitchen. With enough space for the entire family to be comfortable, it's a design that's sure to impress.